One beautiful features that Usawa has is how you manage sales return in Usawa. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make sales and how to complete a sales return in Usawa. So to make sales, let's raise an invoice. Please note you could also raise your invoice by using the shortcut button. Let's select a customer. Let's select a customer, this company. Now we want to raise an invoice. Now we are selling a particular item to this company. Wholesale. Now we sell it at 2,000 naira to this company, and we sell 4 units of it. Save as approved. Now, I haven't sold this item to this company. If the company decided that they wanted to return the item sold to them, how do you go about raising the return? To raise a return, click on invoice and then come and do sales return. Please note that we are raising a return on the name of the customer. So click on this drop down, create a sales return. Now by default, Usawa will have generated a sales return number by default for the company. The next thing we want to do is to select the customer. And once you select the customer, you need to go and select the invoice number which caused the sales return, which is invoice number 8. And again, you can actually say the reasons, you can add the reasons why you're doing the sales, either it is sales return or sales return, deficiency in services, correction of invoice, change in POS, all those, we have some reasons in it, but this particular one, I'm picking sales return. Now, once you pick that, what Usawa would do is to pick those particular invoice into here. So in this case, it has picked the fact that we have sold 4 quantity to the person as 2,000. Now what do we want to do? The person wants to return 2 back to the store. And then click on save. The invoice due is less than the sales amount. Do you want to allocate it? Well, click on yes. Now what happens is that if you go to the former invoice which you created in the name of that particular customer, let's go and look at this particular sales invoice 18. You will notice at the bottom of it, Usawa has created a return that can reduce this particular invoice. So if I allocate this 4,003, Usawa has reduced it. Therefore, what is remaining to be paid is now 4,003. It's not reducing the invoice for record purposes. Sales was made and then the return was done. Now you can now collect money on the outstanding, the one that is still that the customer has in their custody, and then that invoice is done with.